Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, you're looking at something that's not just a car, it's a statement. At first glance, it might look like a regular Mustang, but take a closer look, this beast has been completely transformed. From the aggressive quad exhaust setup to the bold, wide-body kit that hugs the rear fenders, everything about this car screams custom-built perfection. That candy red finish isn't just paint, it's personality. Deep, glossy, and full of reflections that dance under the lights of the showroom, this Mustang has the presence of a supercar. Notice how the rear design pulls your attention instantly. The LED taillights are sleek and futuristic, running seamlessly across the back. The custom diffuser is massive, giving the car an ultra-aggressive stance, and the exhaust note? You can almost hear it just looking at it. What really sets this build apart is the balance between muscle and luxury. The Mustang emblem in the center remains proudly displayed, reminding you of its heritage. But everything else around it tells you this is a whole different level. It's wider, lower, meaner, a Mustang like you've never seen before. Captured in stunning 4K, every inch of this machine has been detailed and presented with care. From the carbon fiber touches to the smooth body lines, this build demands attention from every angle. The reflections bouncing off the surface show how well the paint and curves were crafted. It's more than just a custom job, it's artwork on wheels. You can imagine this car rolling through city streets at night or pulling up at a show, turning heads before the engine even starts. It's got that cinematic presence, the kind of ride you'd expect in a high-budget car film. This isn't just a Mustang, it's what happens when vision meets craftsmanship. Every part has purpose. Every line has intent. It's bold without being overdone, aggressive without losing elegance. And that's what makes it so special. It challenges what we think a Mustang should look like, and gives us something new, something exciting. Whether you're a fan of classic muscle or modern performance, this build finds a way to satisfy both. Thanks for watching. If you love custom car builds, cinematic showcases, and real automotive passion, make sure to subscribe to MVP Auto. We've got more coming that you won't want to miss.